Welcome to the City of Cambridge online permitting program. If you plan to excavate or trench in the City of Cambridge public right-of-way or trench on private property, then please watch this instructional video on how to apply for the correct DPW permit using the Citizens Access Portal. The first step is to open the online permitting program webpage. You can access this page from links on the DPW webpage or the City of Cambridge website. Please note that you must be a registered user before you can begin to apply for permits. To register, click on the Register link on the right-hand side of this page. Once your registration has been approved, you will receive an email that you can now begin applying for permits. Click on the Begin Process button under the Permitting tab and log in with the email address and password that you used to register. Once logged in, select the appropriate permit, in this case, excavation. Next, you'll come to the application instructions page. Review this information carefully as it will provide you with all the information and directions on how to complete your online application. Click Next to move to the address page. To select the address of where the work will be done, click on the Search Address button. Enter in the street number and street name and click on the search button in the lower right corner. It is easier if you only enter in a partial name, as the program will bring up any addresses that match that description. Click on the file folder to select the appropriate address. The address that you enter must be a valid address in the City of Cambridge Assessor's database. If you're working in a larger area, like an intersection or entire street, please click on the nearest address and state the limits of your work location in the Other Location Description field on the main permit page. Click Next on the parcel page. For excavation permits, you have 4 choices. Select the appropriate permit type. No trench is for work where excavating will be done, but the work is not considered to be a trench under State of Massachusetts trench laws and regulations. Click Next. This page is where you describe the type of work that you'll be doing. Make sure you provide us with as much information as possible in all fields. Fields with an exclamation point are required, and you will not be able to submit your permit if any of these fields are left blank. If you're working on an intersection or an entire street, you can provide us with this information in the Other Location Description field and select a cross street if appropriate. Enter in the proposed start and end dates of the project. Please be as descriptive as possible in the purpose field. Make sure you select an infrastructure type in the work detail field on the main permit page, as this will trigger the fee. Click Next. On this page, enter in the competent person and his or her hoisting license information. Be sure to click on the box that indicates that you understand and agree to comply with the State of Massachusetts trench laws. Click Next. Under the street cuts and sidewalk cut sections, only fill in the size of the area that will need to be restored. For instance, if you're cutting a 5x4 foot section of asphalt and need to take out one panel of a sidewalk to do your trench work, these are the dimensions that you enter into these 2 sections. On the required attachments page, please attach any utility plans, pedestrian or traffic management plans, bond information, and a copy of your company's certificate of liability insurance to list the City of Cambridge as additional insured and the certificate holder. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Once done, click on the Finish button in the lower right corner. This window tells you that your permit is being submitted and gives you the permit number. You can click OK. Then go up to the home page in the upper left corner on the gray menu bar, and this will take you to the page that lists the permit types and invoices for permits that you applied for. Scroll down to the invoice section and select the invoice for the permit that was just processed. If a payment is not received, your permit request will not be processed. Follow the appropriate prompts. So this concludes our permit application demonstration. Please call the DPW Permit Desk at 617-349-4833 if you have any questions.